So we have the set of values, variables x, y, z, and the combinations of the equation x plus 2y minus 4z equal to 0 is subspace or not. So subspace definition is it should be non-empty, that is nothing but a 0 belongs to W. If we add the set of two vectors, that should be closure under a subspace, and scalar multiplication with the vector belongs to W. The second one is addition property and third one is multiplication, scalar multiplication property. So here we consider let x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. So if we substitute these three values in the given equation, so if we substitute, what we get, x is 0 plus 2 times y is 0 plus z minus 4 times z is 0, we get the answer. So we have right hand side equal to 0, hence this one is belongs to W. The next one is we consider the set of vectors. Let a vector is, so here x, y, z is given, so let us consider x1, y1, z1. Similarly, we write the another vector b is x2, y2, z2. Now we add these two. So if we add these two, what we get, a vector plus b vector. So if we add this one, we get x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2. So now in the place of x we have x1 plus x2, y is y1 plus y2, z is z1 plus z2. Now this value we must substitute in the given equation. So here if we substitute, instead of x we must substitute x1 plus x2 plus 2 times y is nothing but y1 plus y2 minus 4 times z is z1 plus z2. Now we multiply and we split the terms. So here x1 plus x2 plus, if we multiply this one, we can write it as 2 times y1 plus 2 times y2 minus 4 times z1 minus 4 times z2. So if we split the term, x1 plus 2y1 minus 4z1 plus x2 plus 2 times y2 minus 4 times z2. So here we can see that we are using the elements from the set of vectors A and set of vectors B separately. And we can write it this as 0 plus 0. Why we can write it as 0? So why? Because the given question is x plus 2y minus 4z equal to 0. We substitute here. So we get equal to 0. So that is addition vector is belongs to W, subspace. Now we must find out the third one, scalar multiplication. So what we must do? A scalar value C is multiplied with a vector. So here C of x1 comma y1 comma z1, if we multiply we can write it as C times x1, C times y1, C times z1. Now this value we substitute in the given equation. So x is nothing but C times x1 plus 2 times C times y1 minus 4 times C times z1. So z is present in each and every element, we can take C common. We can write it as x1 plus 2y1 minus 4 times z1. So according to the given question, this is equal to 0. So C of 0 is equal to 0. So this is belongs to subspace. So all the three conditions are satisfying. You can see here 0 belongs to W. So if we add A plus B, we are getting that it is belongs to W. Then scalar multiplication is belongs to W. Hence x comma y comma z for the equation x plus 2y minus 4z equal to 0 is subspace.